All right, welcome to video 4 of module 9 about when we have got and the word a, that this will become gotta. Let me show you. Countable and uncountable nouns. This is something in English that we have examples of. Countable is a problem, a book, a map, a watch, things we can clearly use a number to show how many. Countable. Uncountable is things that are difficult to use a number. Time, money, food, internet, and cash. These ideas. So some of them are a little confusing. Time is considered uncountable in English. Money also. I know you usually use numbers, but they are examples of uncountable nouns in English. Now, when we're using the word a or a problem, a book, a reason, the idea, if you do not have a or the in your language, the difference is that a problem or a book, it's not specific problem or book. We do not know where, what kind, or what there. If you are traveling and you do not have a map, you need a map, but you don't know which kind. You never saw this map before, or it's a watch or a phone. The idea, it's not specific. So when we look at have got, I have got a problem, the contraction of I've got a problem. What happens next? I've got a problem. Okay, so we are interested in when we have I have got a noun, is I've got a problem and I've got a problem. I've got a problem. So it's connecting. We have not got a phone. We haven't got a phone. We haven't got a phone. Right? So we haven't got a phone. We haven't got a phone. Are you listening and repeating? We haven't got a phone. Have you got a map? Have you got a map? Have you got a map? So have you got a map? Have you got a map? All right. So it's the fast pronunciation. Have you got a map? We have got the money. We've got the money, but we got the money? No, this is the difference. Only with the word a, all right? I have got time. I've got time. I've got a time? No, this is the difference, all right? So have or has got with a and the noun is when we have gotta. Equals gotta and the noun. Ready to practice? All right, let's go. Have not got in the noun, haven't, hasn't gotta, and the noun. So, pause, listen, repeat, and train. Ready? Excuse me, have you got a pen? Excuse me, have you got a pen? Have you got a pen? Excuse me, have you got a pen? Have you got a pen? I have got a €1 coin for the machine. I've got a €1 coin for the machine. I've got a €1 coin for the machine. Okay? I've got a €1 coin for the machine. Have you got a light? This is normally when people are smoking a cigarette and they ask for the lighter. Have you got a light? Excuse me, have you got a light? Have you got a light? And have ya? Excuse me, have you got a light? Have you got a light? She has not got a computer to work with. She hasn't got a computer to work with. And she hasn't got a computer to work with. She hasn't got a computer to work with. They have got a really nice dog. This is true of my neighbors. They have got a really nice dog. They've got a really nice dog. And they've got a really nice dog. They've got a really nice dog. All right, this ends this video. Join me in the next video where I'm going to talk about using gotta for deductions. See you then.